the beautiful state of Florida, home of imagination, home of dreams. And with the Ultimate RV Show National Tour, this segment being all about those big bunkhouses. You know, we love Florida. I know there's a lot of shows going on right now, but the Ultimate RV Show National Tour is all about helping you find the RV that's perfect with you. With over 80,000 factory fresh RVs coming. If you're looking for something 37 feet long, can sleep 6 to 9 people comfortably, and you're looking for a fifth wheel that has amenities, features, and a price that is unbeatable, I am standing in your imagined dream come true RV. Because, you know, down here in Florida, you know, the Florida humidity, we're feeling it right now. That humidity is just murder on my hair. Makeup! Oh, that's so much better. Ultimate RV Show National Tour. What's up? It's Chris Young, standing in the 2021 Dutchmen Atlas 3342 BHF. This is a bunkhouse fifth wheel that if you've been thinking about taking the family down to the Keys, maybe going to Disney World, maybe just you want to have something set up near the golf spot because you and your golf buddies want to go play. This is beautiful. The rear is dominated by a separate bunk room, and yes, this is a bath and a half fifth wheel. Right here on the campsite, we got ourselves a double over bunk with the entertainment center underneath, hideaway solid ladder, solid wood construction here on the drawers. You're going to see that all throughout this Dutchmen Atlas 3342 BHF. Over here on the off-camp side in the slide, dual USB charging ports up top, 300-pound max capacity twin over bunk. Boom. That also has the little mini dinette. I love this for the kids because if you do travel with your kids and they want to go do their own thing, maybe have their own food, eat, TV over here while you and the adults go do their thing, or maybe you're playing cards in there, they're in here playing the board games. You have that separation of space that allows them to do what they want to do and not leave those creature comforts of home in beautiful, well-insulated, well-built, affordable comfort that you can take with you wherever you want to go. This Dutchmen Atlas 3342 BHF starts at $46,555 or as low as $11.15 a day. If you say, all right, Chris, I'm in, how do I get a hold of this one? Just drop me a comment down below, RV, or text RV to 46642. Beautiful big windows, solid wood balances, mushroom lights, USB charging ports all the way throughout this beauty too. And it is a bath and a half. So if you do bring the family along with you, or if you have another set of adults, maybe it's that ladies wine tour getaway or the ladies Keys jumping. Oh my goodness, going down to the Keys, hitting those wineries and those breweries and just enjoying the beach and the sun that only Florida can offer. Oh, come on, Kev. How can we get on that one? Open up into the living area, and this is where Dutchman's calling card really comes into play with Atlas. They love giving you space, style, and comfort that allows you to live and play while you're out RVing. Full profile fifth wheel, so you're going to have extremely high ceilings, high slides as well. So you're looking at 6 feet of area here on the slides, which is important because you don't want to bump your head when you're getting up and down. Comfortable double recliners right there, surrounded by large panoramic windows. So when you want to watch the sunrise or the sunset, depending on what side of the state that you're on, you're going to be able to do that in style and comfort. And when you get finished making that camp cooked meal, this is where you can sit down and do that reconnection spot. You got a large dinette booth, plenty of space to fit 4 people, storage underneath both, and when this is ready for nighttime, reduces down into a sleeper, and boom, there you go. Well, Chris, what about entertainment? Well, we got you right here. Large TV on a swivel arm that also pulls out and adjusts, so no matter where you're at here in the living space, you can watch it. Now, in Florida, I know the nights can sometimes get a little chilly, so right there, we got ourselves a big old fireplace, multi-flame setting, multi-light, right above our slip-resistant HyperDeck flooring. What is HyperDeck? Well, it's actually a fiberglass reinforced with polypropylene, so it's waterproof. Does a really good job because everything's vacuum bonded in here as well, so you're sealed underneath. You won't get that condensation or that feeling when you're walking around of a slippery floor. Large, over 8 cubic feet of space here in the Dinette fridge. And since we have opposing slides, we're able to fit in an island kitchen in here as well. Which for me, if you're looking to take the family out in style and space, And you want those creature comforts of home. Having the additional island is great for prepping, but what you end up doing is you end up hanging out in this area. People are grabbing drinks out of the fridge. You're sitting here talking, maybe you're prepping meals, or in the mornings, you got your little coffee station over here. Look at the backsplash, that's solid. Large storage here with the frosted glass, which, by the way, the frosted glass is also on the doors inside this unit for both the bunk room and the master bedroom. Got sprayer nozzle on my faucet right here. Look, the Ultimate RV Show National Tour is all about trying to show you some samples of these over 80,000 factory fresh RVs coming. This 2021 Dutchmen Atlas 3342 BHF is brand new for 2021. Right off the, like literally right off the factory floor. And we're gonna make this one during the Ultimate RV Show National Tour start at $46,555 or as low as $11.15 a day. Now if you say, Chris, we're getting ready to go golfing down in Florida, or hey man, I like these funky shoes you got on. How do I get those at the Camping World and the Gander RV and Outdoors's? And we want to go fishing. We love going offshore fishing down there in Florida because you can catch some of the sweetest fish. Yes, you can. All you got to do is just drop me a comment down below RV or text RV to 46642. You want to check out one of the 80,000 factory fresh RVs? Just text fresh to 46642 or drop me a comment down below fresh. Flush mounted 3-burner cooktop over here, plenty of space, design and layout, as well as what they've done for 2021. And pretty much each year, they keep upgrading features, they upgrade insulation, they make camping easier and more fun, as well as more affordable. It was funny, we have a new member on our team here with the production crew. His name is Grayson. First time he's ever walked into an RV. He walked into this thing and he was like, whoa, I didn't know RVs were that nice, man. They are. All right, Kev, so we're gonna figure out how we do this. I'll tell you what I'm gonna do. Let's do the bathroom last. We'll do it on the way out. Walk into the master. This is what I love, what manufacturers are doing now, especially with Dutchmen. You got that privacy glass on the front cap. Now you got additional radiant barriers here that really help with the insulation, because a lot of times, you know, the heat and the cold is coming on that front part of the camper. So having that additional insulation, that additional bonding really helps keep the camper where you want it. The ACs are great. You got 30,000 BTU furnace. You got a 15,000 BTU AC, so you're going to be able to do a good job of keeping it where you want it as far as the temperature. But take a look at the features, the style, the comfort, how much storage space we have, our mirrored wardrobe here, the large bed with the strut supported storage underneath. Sorry, Kev. There we go. Look at that. Now that's a spot for your golf bags. If you can see, even goes all the way up underneath the bed. So if you had, you know, maybe that custom set of Mizunos, you wanted to slide those up in there, ooh, or you decided to pick up some brand new Sakana rods from Camping World or Gander RV and Outdoors. Because you know, like for fishing, hunting, all that stuff, we got everything you need. So when you come down to Florida, you don't need to go anywhere else. You want to stock up for fishing and hunting? Come to us, we got you covered. TV backer right there. There's that frosted glass that I was talking about going in. And then there is our luxurious bathroom. Walk-in residential shower with the glass, large mirrored medicine cabinet as well. Look at that large single basin sink right there, Kev. That's where you could do some shaving. I mean, I wish you guys could see Kev. He's able to grow a full beard within a day. It's amazing. I don't know how he does it. But this Dutchmen Atlas, 2021, this is a 3342 BHF, 37 feet long, roughly 10,300 pounds dry weight, starting at $46,555 or as low as $11.15 a day. For your chance to take anywhere from 6 to 9 people out to wherever you want to go down here in beautiful Florida, for as low as $11.15 a day, come on, man. Got the Rotaflex Hitch up top. Take a look at that molded end cap, the beautiful painted fiberglass. There's that privacy window. You can see the lights coming in, but you can't see in. That's what I like about that. And whenever you see a fifth wheel that has this molded end cap, not only is it extra insulated, that's just a sign of good construction, because it's not just a seal on the edge, it comes over, really allowing for good construction and longer use of your RV. Fiberglass with the beautiful graphics, 2 awnings with the LED light strips, pass-through storage here, heated and enclosed underbelly. Got your power leveling on here as well. And once again, with the Ultimate RV Show National Tour, we're not really able to show you all the features of these RVs, but we have people standing by right now. We have so many spots in Florida, it's mind-boggling. We have over 150 locations nationwide, and some of the best people you're gonna find. They will answer all your questions about, hey, tell me about this outside kitchen and that 2-burner cooktop. Do I have a port if I wanna bring my grill? You absolutely do. You got your plug and play right there for your LP, for your quick connect. You got the large, what I like to call the dorm style fridge. Keep your bourbon, keep your fish, keep your golf balls, whatever you want to put inside that outside kitchen, you can. Countertop space, look at my storage, man. And the height that I have here, because you know in Florida, it's rainy with occasional periods of sun. But I'm gonna brighten your day right now, because not only am I gonna let you have this 2021 Dutchmen Atlas 3342 BHF for as low as $46,555, or as low as $11.15 a day. 10,366 pounds dry, 37 feet. Come on, man. A bunk room. Did you see that bunk room? Were you with me? Or were you thinking about the humidity that's murder on my hair? Hey, it's Florida. There's other shows going on right now, but the only one you need to worry about is the Ultimate RV Show, because no matter where you're at, if you think you got a better deal, I'm going to beat it, guaranteed, or you get $1,000 in cash. To do that, if you're at another show, which, by the way, with the Ultimate RV Show, you can buy and have this delivered to you without even leaving your couch. You don't have to go into crowded areas or pay an entry fee, pay a parking fee. No, it's free to watch this. And we're giving you a chance to win over $250,000 in prizes too. We're giving you great discounts, and with any deal that you have, I'm gonna beat. Come on, man. Ultimate RV Show 2021 is the year of RV travel. Do it the safest way possible in your RV. But if you think you got a better deal, just text BEAT to 46642 or leave me a comment down below. BEAT. Chris, I'm at another show in Florida. I'm looking at this unit. Can you beat it? Yes. Or I'm gonna give you $1,000 in cash. Now, if you like this one, Chris, give me that Dutchmen Atlas 3342 BHF. $46,555 starting out, or as low as $11.15. I'm gonna text RV to 46642 or drop me a comment down below, RV. Now we got more factory fresh bunkhouses coming with the big old bunkhouse segment here at the Ultimate RV Show. Just get ready to text fresh to 46642. 80,000 factory fresh units coming. Come on guys, we got a lot to show, come on.